Got a visitor today. Oh, Les from Rong Sang Thai. Who? Five. Oh, she never looks impressed. More installation. Yeah, so we've got the gutter system. We had the pipe run out that way, but the customer didn't like it, so we've changed it to the outside there. What? No, what you done yet? You on camera? Yeah, photo. Took it. There you go. Is the exposure wrong, is it?
Probably, I don't know.
Clean your lenses.
Clean you what?
Clean your lenses, yeah.
Lens?
Oh, lens.
I ain't got a fucking iPhone, mate. You know, them days are gone, mate. It's got a bit of gow on it, you see that?
Oh, yeah,
Choice
yeah.
glue, a bit of super glue. I was fixing something.
Just buy a new phone, man.
I made a foot.
Yeah, I mean, you must get a good Saudi at Rumsang. No, so you tap the focus, right?
Tap the focus?
Yeah, you got to tap the focus. But you change the exposure and everything. I want one photo, right? So you change it. Hold on.
It's a bit complicated.
There you go.
Oh.
Obviously, you don't know how to use your phone.
Well, just cheese, isn't it? Cheese? That's under the walls, cheese. What's that over there?
Right.
Yeah. Did you put in a barbed wire? Or
Yeah, for cold it. Yeah, a few nights overtime and we'll be sorted. So just the sparkly's got to come and finish up putting the pipe work in for the garden area to get these lights connected up.
Where's the tank? Where's the pump in?
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's where the pumps are going there, over there. The holding tank, washing machine and all that.
Washing machine?
Yeah, they're going to do this is going to be a laundry room as well. Right, yeah. Just finish off doing this and then get the roof on. So we'll put the insulation around the pipe before we pour the concrete. And you've got like your inlet water to run around the house and all that there. And the control box goes up there.
What roof?
It's the same as what the roof we got on there. But without the insulation. You don't need it. The sand pit area for the daughter. This sand pit. They can change it whatever they want to do later. Sand pit, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's right, yeah. Most of the pool's covered anyway. Yeah. 3 meter high walls. 3 meter high. It's got to come up, the counter goes on the end and there's another comes up and there's yeah, there's going to be it's going to be a bar on top. Counter's got to go in yet, so we've got to sort that out today. Yeah.
What's going in here?
Grass. There's a few,
Grass?
yeah, a few trees. Yeah.
Trees?
There's a few palm trees going in, some bushes and stuff.
Fucking what's the name?
AstroTurf.
I wouldn't have fucking.
Yeah, I mean, I've done that in Paria, like a few even condominiums on the balcony. You put AstroTurf down.
Selling one, me little push.
Push along the cylinder mowers.
Yeah, it's ideal, isn't it? I wouldn't have grass in that. Grass outside.
No, we're going to use Malay grass, which is a thick leaf.
Yeah.
It's like a shag pile carpet.
Yeah, it's no good for that. What's the name then? That roller.
No.
See. Yeah, the Malay. That's what Bob's got. Okay, it's like walking on fucking carpet, isn't it?
Yeah.
But cutting it.
Yeah.
Oh, let's hear it.
Yeah, that's the Shearer. That's a smart board, all built in smart board. And we've got the hidden gutter system again up there. Well, yeah, it's a strange design, like.
I mean, where did you get this idea from?
Oh, it was the client's idea.
Yeah? You like everyone does?
Yeah.
What's a mother say?
Oh, mother, they love it. They absolutely love it. They don't. But the whole family live just here.
Oh. Where are they now? Where is it?
They've gone back to Ireland.
Oh, right. Oh, it's cold there.
Yeah.
Quite big, isn't it?
Yeah, 1.4 meters.
1.4.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll give you another shout when we get closer to the finish, you know, because they're coming to put the windows in tomorrow. The windows.
All right. They're here, yeah?
Yeah, we get them made on site.
Where are
Yeah, you haven't got this one yet. I need a. Did the time not do free hearts?
Oh, right. No, I it's 20 baht.
So delivery every day.
Yeah, oh, is that us?
Yeah, that's you. That's your deliveries. Like I said, 90% of this build's all done wrong some time. Yim. There's another one there, RST staff.
I don't know.
Do you not know all the delivery teams? Oh, I haven't a clue who she is. I tell you, you're selling that today, are you? Yeah. So this is where the staff stay and install all the equipment. Like I say, the only thing that you haven't supplied is the concrete. The roof system.
What is that plant there? We just, I don't know, I know where it is now. Turn right at the stone place.
Yeah.
Where's concrete?
Concrete?
Where'd you get your concrete?
Oh, AB concrete.
Where are they?
Yeah, they're up that way.
Further up.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'll be crack on.
I like how they clean their hands. The water from the radiator, they just keep it.
Is that what it is?
And then they just pop it and wash their hands. Yeah.
Oh, you see all that water coming out.
Yeah, so they store it.
They do it. There's good ways of adapting. What's the word?
Modifying.
Modifying and stuff. This point.
Oh, the cable. Okay, thanks for the visit, mate.
I'll come again. I'll come again when it's finished and say, look, this photos we can take in and say, look, this we supply 90%, 80% material.
90%.
Yeah.
Like I said, the only thing that you didn't supply was the roof system and the concrete in the windows. Everything else is pretty much all from Long Time. Yeah, you see how we brought that out down here.
I like it. The finish is nice. I quite like that. Everybody's going for grey now, like grey.
Yeah, well, it's was it loft style? Loft style.
Oh, loft style. I like the colour. So isn't that the colour?
TOE as well.
It doesn't seem like that colour.
We've got black windows.
Yeah, not brown.
No, black. Yeah, black frames and dark glass.
See, I think I want white, but no, because I saw the ship.
Yeah, white's all inside, you know, but we've got the battleship grey and all that. There's about three tones of grey on here.
Right.
And then they've got the sandy. Once you get the trees and all that, the bushes in, then they'll totally transform. Yeah.